Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to private photos in Facebook. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I'm going to go to my Facebook app in my iPhone right now. Go ahead and sign in if you haven't. I'm going to walk you through a couple different ways to private photos. So I'm going to go to my profile at the top left-hand corner, hit my profile button, go down. So the first thing you can do is go ahead and post a photo privately. So underneath post, I can hit this photo button. It'll bring up all of my photos. I can go ahead and click one. I can hit done. And then I can choose to make it private by hitting friends at the top. And this is where you can choose who can see it. Right now it's on friends only, but if I only want me to see it, I can hit only me. And I can hit done. And then I can hit post. And that comes up to a private photo. Nobody can see it except for me. If I want to choose to add a photo or go ahead and private a photo that's already out there, I can go to photos and my profile. And I can go to uploads, the photos that I've uploaded. I can go ahead and, this one's already private because I just did it. If I can hit this photo, I can hit the three dots at the top right. I can edit post privacy. And now I can change it from friends to only me and then hit done. And that would make that post private. If I hit X and I hit X, the only thing you can't do is private a photo that somebody tagged you in. If it's somebody else's photo, you don't have the access or the authority to, make that photo private. But you can untag yourself. If I go down to my photos, and then these are all photos of me. These are people posted of me. So if I click on this photo and I hit those three dots, that option to make it private isn't there, as you can see. But I can remove tag, which means I can remove my my username from it, so it's not going to show up on my profile anymore. Or I can report it if I want to. But that is how you take your tag off of your photos and how you make a post photo private. If you guys have any questions on it, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.